we go, folks.
After a really unplanned hiatus, we are back with Project Bonanza. What are we working on today? Okay, it has been a good while since we last made a video, so let's take a minute to catch up on where we are with this bike. We have a Bonanza mini bike frame from the early 1970s. We took it apart, cleaned it up, removed all the old paint, and ground down some of the old imperfections. We then filled in some of the holes from the previous owners. We primed it, then painted it Bahama blue. In the last video, we started reassembly of the swing arm, jackshaft, and the front forks. And that takes us to today. So we have had these for a while. These are Azusa wheels. And I will have to look up the more technical specs, but it has the sprocket. Has it built in for the drum brake in the rear, so it's all just one assembly with the sprocket and the brake and the wheel.
Voila. Anyway, well, gotta have a spacer in here to keep your drum off. You got space. And this would be quicker. That. I can get the tire on. She should just slip right on into the in. Azusa TriStars. That's a welcome sight right there. More than a one-man operation. Okay.
Yep.
There we go. Now,
Wheel uno.
yeah, get the air going, and I only put one bearing in. But I think I was going to do that for the show. This is 50 cold. Going old school with the tire pressure gauge, position bearing and stuff. There we go. Yee, it's gonna be fast. All right, coolio. Azusa axles fit tight. May need that hammer again. Yeah, because that ain't gonna get it. That was just the mock-up on that axle. Axle really fits good in there once you get it in this place. Let's see if I can. There it is. One Zuzu. All right. On our tire on this side, and then we'll go. All right. Zuzu. closer. Good. Pick one. How about the top one?
Yep.
Nope, gotta put the drum on. Let's get the frame set up here and we'll see if we can get this back tire aligned. Set it on there. Aha.
You gonna need a hand or you got it?
Just getting... too far, man. She's not heavier than she looks up, huh? There we go. Yep.
Well, after this, we'll need to find a big hill to roll down then.
Yeah. Do. Looking right there is fair. Boom. That's a long time to get there, buddy.
Oh yeah.
This and this. Get this guy tightened up. There we go. We can live with that. Live with that now. There we go. There it is, man. Front wheel. Cool. Cool. All right. A little polish. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. Bonanza.
I like the look of that wheel. I like the size. It looks nice and aggressive.
nut and washer, and then we'll put a washer, and then we'll put our bolt. So as we tighten up our bolt, it pulls back and it tightens up on the jack shaft.
Yeah. Another nut for a little bit more control.
Yeah, we're almost. That's almost in line on that jack shaft, just right too. Hang on. Shit, these guys are gonna work just fine. I can put a spacer in the. That thing's gonna have to run a little bit to get that brake to free up. Cool. Digging it. There it is, man. Finally got the stupid wheels.
How many years did that take?
Huh? I think we're...
Year 2.
I'm not throwing deuces. Just saying. Yeah. We stalled. It happens.
Cool. So what, only a 45-minute drive to the first real hill to push it down?
Yep. Handlebars are not tight, don't. Seat on there, I don't know how much higher. We have to go with higher. Cool. Now, problem is now, she don't stand up.
Come on, racing bikes never have kickstands.
Huh. Have milk crates. Cool. We can do all the. Man, she's tall, ain't she?
Yep.
Got some clearance. So how much clearance is that?
So a little backstory. The whole reason I bought this frame a couple of years ago as a gift to Papa Bear here for all of the help for restoring the Trail 70 that we like to tear around on. So
Cool, man.
found this one on eBay from Wisconsin?
I believe it was. Ah! It's got some clearance. Swing arm. Swing arm. Not bad. It's going to be a pretty good beater, man.
Yeah. So bought a seat online. It had this plastic base. It's mostly for the foam block and the faux leather pleather. And then, so now we have a better wooden base, so hopefully we can torque on it a little bit and put it to where we want to. So replace that. Be good to go.
Just a little extra grip. Or lubrication. Or lubrication. However you see it. Okay. Slide you in there. Get you in there. Yeah, so it's adjustable seat.
So if you want to ride up on the handlebars or be cool and laid back.
Yeah. We got old Shorty. So whatever it takes to get us to wherever we need to be. Because I just thought it'd be a little different. Well, see if we can skin it without making a mess.
Man, it's almost like you measured that.
Yeah, almost. They have a good pattern. Okay, now, bottom. Skin.
And we just tack that down.
Yeah, I don't remember. I think they had the sides pulled in first and then that tacked over. Or did they? Maybe they had it tacked like that. So this. That's better. I like it better. Actually get it mounted on there. It's going to be nice where you don't have to worry about it falling off.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, much better than that plastic bottle. Alright, alright. Cool. Alright. As well put it to mock. Set sideways on there. Put the engine on it. Just see what she looks like.
Just see what it looks like?
Yeah, and then I guess we'll be.
So we have our Predator, which is not going to be installed, but we're going to set it in there just for good fun, and we can imagine what it will look like.
Just a mock-up. Got to make sure there's even a motor in here. It's been a while.
Well, this is where we do our unboxing. Before use, fill gas, add fuel stabilizer, and add engine oil. What did I say?
Steps 1, 2, 3.
Operating with low oil or no oil causes permanent damage and voids the warranty.
Yeah. That'd be your fuel cap, muffler, air filter, oil cap, drain plug, fuel level, your fuel valve, choke, starter, and an ignition switch, throttle. Cool. Now, I'm going to reclock that. Ooh, la, la.
Does it look like...
Looks like it's going to be just right there. But it's got to go over because this guy's not going to let over. I'm going to have to go like... Let's go right there. Let's go right there. I have to run her like this. Yeah. Fajitas, man.
Pretty close. Looks like the engine's gonna need to come.
Oh, what? Yes, it is.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it'll all be adjusted out. So, got just a little bit of room to play with, so that's good. Well, it rolls.
What do you think?
So, throttle, brakes,
Go down fenders.
fenders,
That's it.
work with the chain, and we have to kind of redo these eye bolts for the rear wheel, right? So, but that shouldn't be too much of anything.
Oh, I think we're pretty much eye bolts. I mean, we just need to put the nut on the other side. But yeah. All right. Looks good, man.
Part 4 coming to an end. We got the engine mocked up. I guess that's one thing. Got the wheels on.
Rolling chassis.
Rolling chassis. So now we need chains, brakes, cables.
First start.
Start up the motor.
Build some fenders.
Yeah, a lot, really. But it looks cool.
Yeah. Ready to go.
So, like I said, if we lived somewhere not quite as flat, we'd probably roll it down a big hill.
Yeah.
Luckily we don't, because we don't have brakes yet.
Right.
So,
Flat front stone.
that'll be next time. So we are going to wrap up part number 4 here and move on with part number 5, which hopefully won't take another 1.5 years to do. So, Mini Bike Nate, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.